Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. And I expect that you must have done your homework that was related to the topic reported speech, imperative sentences. Today, we'll do reported speech once again, but the kind of sentences we are going to take up are exclamatory sentences. This topic is in your BBC book on page 316 and 317. So before we start, you please bring your modules and open your book to page 316. Keep it on the side so that when it is needed, you may refer the book. Before we start, you need to know what are exclamatory sentences. These sentences express sudden and strong emotions, and these emotions may include anger, joy, surprise, shock, praise, wish or a desire, and so on. It is very easy to identify these sentences because they end in an exclamation mark, and I hope you all know what is an exclamation mark. However, there are certain rules before you start doing the exercise and convert a direct exclamatory sentence into an indirect sentence. The reporting verb said, it can be say also, says, will say, are changed into exclaimed, declared, wished, and some similar words. However, you have to take care of the mood and the tone of the speaker. If you remember, the same thing we followed when we were doing imperative sentences. We took care of the mood and the tone of the speaker. There are certain words that help you to identify this mood or the tone. For example, words like yahoo, hurrah, wow, they express joy. In such case, said or any other reporting verb will change into exclaimed with joy. If it is says, it will be exclaims with joy. If it is will say, then you will change into will exclaim with joy. So it depends, and maximum you'll get the sentence, a direct sentence having the reporting verb said. Now let's see the example of this. The captain said, "Hurrah, we won the match." Now he is delighted, he is happy, he is full of joy because they have won the match. So the reported speech or the indirect sentence will be, the captain exclaimed with joy. You will use the conjunction that they had won the game. I'll explain again. The captain said, "Hurrah, we have won the game." Now the mood of the captain is of joy or delight. So accordingly, I'll change said into exclaimed with joy that they had won the game. Why we has changed into they? This is the rule of change of pronouns. We'll be focusing on it in a separate session. For the time being, you just know that it is not you who have won the match. It is the captain and his team. So we have used the word they in place of we. And won is simple past. It will change into past perfect. If in your direct speech, word like is there, this shows annoyance. So the reporting verb said will change into exclaimed with disgust. Similarly, word like alas shows or express sadness.